Hello everyone, my name is Vincent. Today I'm going to show you a project that I did this week. This is a blog editor. This task or idea was given by my GA alumni called Daniel. He was very kind and friendly because I have been posting articles and posts not only on LinkedIn but also on GA's net. So one day he approached me and he suggested me to work on this task and to see how much I can do. So he wants me to build a headless CMS so that non-technical staff can update or create new articles for the company website. For example, so my task is to try to build a headless CMS so that people can, or the staff in the company, they can update the article easily. And so because it's supposed to be a headless CMS, so there must be authentication, and you can't just create an account here. So the IT staff will need to create users, and now I sign in, and now you can see the posts and you can edit them. And for example here, so I try to mimic the style, which is a little bit similar, and I can create posts, and let's see if we can mimic this article. So non-technical staff, when they write article, I believe they will use some software to write the article. For example, maybe Microsoft Word or something else. So now you can easily copy and paste the work and the format. And this is a Quill editor. The toolbar here. For this image version, it was originally to put a base 64 image, but then it will make the string too long, because now we are using Quill editor, and so this is the one so the article will be like this. So if we have a base 64 string, then it will occupy too much space. Therefore, I customize the button, and now let me see. Now we just need to have the image address, and then you can just copy here. For example, you can have a new address here, then you can have the image. But if you don't have a image address, you can upload an image here. So this image will be uploaded to Firebase storage. So when we create a post, we have already generated a post ID, and now we have an image here, and we can copy the link, and it's here. And the label is recycle. So we have project or article, because at the end I use it to showcase my project and article, but you can create new label and we can save. So this is draft, and because we are on the edit page, I don't want people to just lose their data if they accidentally close the window, so it will ask you if you want to make some save, or if you accidentally click on this button, it will ask you. But we have already saved it already. And because it's draft, so it will not be shown here. You need to make it not a draft. Then you'll be able to see it. So imagine this is a non-technical stuff. After they have create a post and publish it, then it will be shown here. So edit like that. And now you can see the image is very similar to this one. But I make the border radius round. Yes, here. I also concerned about the image storage. So for example, this T. So there are three images. And I keep the images as an array so that you can see here, and you can upload more image. And the maximum image quantity for each article is 5, and you have 5 images here. So if you want to upload more image, you will need to delete. Yes, so it's become free. And what else? Oh yeah, because for the authentication, I only use the email password sign method, so there's no column to store the name for this user. Therefore, I need to create another table called users table to store the name, so that you can see here the alpha here. Yes, alpha. And so for all posts, all the posts, including articles, recycling, the one that we just created, articles. But for project, it will only show the post about project, and then post about article, and then my own post. So because this one, for example, this one from this company is created by Stephen. So and refresh. Oh, it's still here. Let's see the code. So here, because we are just talking about the email, so we need to change the email here as well. So I believe this time it will not be shown here. Let's see. And now it's not here. But you can still see it all posts here. And because this is not my post, so I can't edit it. And you don't have the edit button. And of course you can't delete it as well. Well, and actually you can, and because I'm admin, so I can delete here. So delete, but before that I should better say. So I just delete here, and I can delete the post, the images. I don't need this anymore. Oh, another feature I need to mention is uh, if you are not the author, you have no access right to edit the post. Even you can, if you have the URL. So for example, we have this URL, and so for example, we have another guy. So for example, this, and now this is not by me anymore, and because I know the link to edit it, so you are trying to fetch the article, but then you will find that you have no access right to edit this article. Should be here. So you need to check whether the post author is a current user's name. And the name is, I get it from the user table. So we get the name here. So you need to have the access user right. So now I change it back to myself. And now you can edit the post. And not out. And you can see you can only have these three left links, and I have protected root. So if you are not a user, you will go to the account login page. So these are the protected route or route. So if you try create a post, you will go back to the login page. My post, login page, and then you try to access the edit page, go back to the login page. So you must log in order to edit posts or go to those protected routes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. And once again, I want to say thank you to Daniel because he gave me something to work on, and I can add something more in my portfolio. Therefore, if anyone has some ideas and want me to have something challenging, please feel free to contact me because I really enjoy coding, and at the moment the job market is quite unfriendly to junior entry role or graduate. So I need to try harder to impress people, and people know me would definitely agree that I really enjoy what I'm doing right now. But everyone has their limit. If they don't have anything else to work on, they may give up one day, because you can't uh, work for nothing, for no money, for forever. So at the end, some people will lose their hope, even if they were so determined at the beginning. But people are still people. One day they will have to give up, because it's animal nature. We are all humans. We are not gods. So everyone has their own limits. Even myself, I believe I'm very stubborn. I I still enjoy what I'm doing right now, but I know that if given me 10 years, 20 years, or 1 year without a job, at the end I will lose my patience. So please, if you have some idea or challenge you want me to do, please feel free to contact me, because I must have something to do to motivate myself. Even though I believe I'm quite stubborn and determined, but everyone has their own limit. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.